तेरी वो रफ्तार हो, रोके से भी तू ना रुके, हासिल कर ऐसा शिखर, पर्वत की भी नजरें उठे, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं आशाएं आशाएं। बिन पूछे मेरा नाम और पता, रस्मों को रख के परे, चार कदम बस चार कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे। बिन पूछे मेरा नाम और पता, रस्मों को रख के परे, चार कदम बस चार कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे। बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने, हाथों में हाथ लिए, चार कदम बस चार कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे। बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने, हाथों में हाथ लिए, चार कदम बस चार कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे।
The road to success is not an easy path to walk. It was filled with thorns, pitfalls. Only those with strong determination in life could go for the fruit of success. We can come across people in the history. All those successful people had a failure in their book of history. But they never gave till they become successful. Winners don't do different things, but rather, they do things differently. They take extra energy to walk extra miles till they reach their target. Dear Achanates, congratulations and celebrations. We want the world to know you are happy as can be. Felicitations and jubilations. You all have occupied a special place in our hearts. It's indeed a proud moment for Achana St. Xavier School Mandi, as it has come with flying colours in SSC board examination 2020. Most of our 10th standard students secured good marks and added feathers to the crown of Achana St. Xavier School. The achievement of Mehta Aditya Nimish and Mithya Sakshi Kishobai, who secured first and sixth place in the Kutch district, set a new record in procuring the remarkable results. To acknowledge and honor the students for their outstanding performance and parents for their constant accompaniment on their wards, and for the trust and confidence they showed towards the management. The management and staff decided to host an online felicitation program to celebrate the success. Hearty welcome to one and all for the same.
Every morning is a surprise, and every sunrise is a challenge, and each day is a gift. To give the first fruit of the day to the Lord is one of the most valuable ways to show our love to God. With these sentiments in mind, let us invoke the God's blessings on all of us through a prayer dance. I request Chakka Priyanshi of Standard 9 for her prayer dance performance.
మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను యెహోవా నా మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను నిద్రోయకానందు గూర్చి తన సుతుని దాచగా తెగించి మృతి కోపగించి పాపపు నిగుల్ సొగ సొగా నడంచెను
Thank you, Priyanshi, for invoking God's blessing on all of us. Welcoming is the noblest act of any function. By welcoming, we make the person feel at home amidst us. May I request my colleague, Mrs. Sangeeta, for welcome speech.
Very good morning and a hearty welcome to each and everyone. Schools are set up with a vision to ensure that the students develop the skills that a sound education provides and the competence essential for success and leadership. And every year, Archana St. Xavier's tries to reach that goal. We aim to do the best for our students in all circumstances. That is why during this hard time of pandemic corona, when everyone is struggling with online studies, we are organizing online felicitation ceremony for our passed out students of Standard 10 year 2019-20. On this occasion, I heartily welcome our school manager, the backbone of our school, respected Sister Rosie. our school principal, respected Sister Donna, our vice principal, respected Sister Smini, and a very special welcome to our dear students of Standard 10. I also feel very happy to welcome all our dear students and a deep-hearted welcome for our dear parents on this online program prepared for our 10th standard students. Felicitation ceremony is organized to acknowledge and applaud the achievements of all the students and for those who excelled in academics and brought proud moments for the school. This is just the beginning, dear children. You have still to reach the pinnacle. And we all, from the core of our heart, congratulate all of you for giving your best. Once again, it is proved that hard work is the only key to success. Aditya Nimish Mehta of our school topped in whole Kutch. It is the proudest moment for all of us. Hearty congratulations to dear Aditya and Sakshi for their excellent result. Once again, on behalf of whole Archana family, lots of blessings and good wishes to each and every one of you. God bless you all and thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome. Felicitation means the words expressing praise for an achievement or good wishes on a special occasion. I invite Mr. Paresh Puri Goswami for felicitation.
નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો તથા વાલીશ્રીઓ, હોમ લર્નિંગ શિક્ષણમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. અર્ચના સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર સ્કૂલનો સમગ્ર સ્ટાફ સૌને આવકારે છે. આ વર્ષે આપણી શાળાનું ધોરણ 10નું પરિણામ સૌથી શ્રેષ્ઠ રહ્યું છે અને એમાં પણ ખાસ કરીને કચ્છ જિલ્લામાં પ્રથમ સ્થાન મેળવનાર મહેતા આદિત્ય નિમિષભાઈ ને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન, જેમણે 94% મેળવી શાળા પરિવારનું ગૌરવ વધાર્યું. શાળા ક્રમાંકે પ્રથમ નંબર મેળવ્યો છે. તેમજ મીઠિયા સાક્ષી કિશોરભાઈએ કચ્છ જિલ્લામાં 6ઠું સ્થાન મેળવ્યું. એમને પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. 91% મેળવી શાળા કક્ષાએ બીજો નંબર મેળવ્યો છે. એ સિવાય એસએસસીના દરેક વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ પણ સારી મહેનત કરી અને સારા માર્ક સાથે ઉત્તીર્ણ કરી છે. એ બદલ બધા વિદ્યાર્થીઓને શાળા પરિવાર વતી ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન અને સફળતાના શિખરો સર કરતા રહે તેવા આશીર્વાદ અર્પણ કરીએ છીએ. આ પરિણામ સારું મેળવવા માટે અથાગ પ્રયત્નો કરનાર એવા શિક્ષક ભાઈ બહેનો, આચાર્ય, સિસ્ટરો, જેમણે પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. 100% પરિણામ દર વર્ષે શાળા મેળવતી રહે એવી ઈશ્વર પાસે પ્રાર્થના. અસ્તુ.
Thank you, Paresh sir. Dear friends, I assure you that this program shall be full of exuberance and excitement and will create some beautiful memories for us all. It is rightly said, days are not lost when memories are created. It's my pleasure to call upon the singing star of Archana St. Xavier's, Mehta Chayu, for a melodious song.
मेरी जिंदगी सवार
It was indeed a lovely performance. How captivating, how solacing. The tone of music still tingling my eardrums. Keep it up, my dear. Now, I request Prachi of Standard 10 to felicitate her seniors for their success. Welcome, Prachi.
Respected Manager, Sister Rosie Joseph, Principal, Sister Donna Augustine, Sisters, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends, a very warm good morning to one and all. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. It's very important to congratulate our 10th standard students who do an outstanding result during their board exam. We shouldn't miss the opportunity to motivate them to do more success in life. Hard work is a recipe to success, and I know how much hard work you must have done to be at this peak. Congratulations for topping in your board exams. Good luck for your future. It is very happy to hear that our students Mehta Aditya Nimish secured first place and Mithya Sakshi Kishore Bhai in 6th place in Kutch district. A special congratulations to both of you. You have proved that dedication and learning and it resulting excellent outcome. Best wishes for achieving best place and all the best for the upcoming days. As we are entering into the 10th standard, we acknowledge that you are the perfect example of a good student and you have proved us right once again. Well done. Best wishes on your great victory and hope you'll keep up the good work in the future. Hard work always pays off. We knew you all worked so hard for your academics the whole year and so the results are here. Every student is intellectual, but it's not everyone's cup of tea to use their mind in the right direction and be successful in life. Congratulations to all of you for passing your board exam with good result. It is not the end. It is not even the beginning of the end, but it is perhaps the end of the beginning. When you overpower your fears, you'll see a new dawn of success. We are so glad about your excellence in passing exam. Once again, congratulations and best wishes to all of you.
Thank you, dear Prachi. Mono acting is a dramatic presentation of a speech act by a single actor on the stage. So let me take the pride to invite Kuriya Haim of Standard 10 for entertaining us with his mono act.
Bakalo લઈ લ્યો શાક બકાલો શાક બકાલો આવો બેન શાક બકાલો લઈ લ્યો બટેટા 30 રૂપિયા ડુંગળી 60 રૂપિયા આવો બેન આવો શાક બકાલો લઈ લ્યો હા બેન બટેટા 30 રૂપિયા અને ડુંગળી 60 રૂપિયા હા કિલો કિલો ના બેન હા બસ તમારી માટે 25 હાલો હાલો બેન 20 માં તો મને પણ ના પોસાય. ઓ બેન લઈ જાઓ હા લ્યો. ચાલ રામુ, આજે તો આટલો જ નફો થયો છે. ચાલો ઘરે. હે ફક્ત 250 રૂપિયા? મને ઓળખે? હું રામુ ગોપાલ. મારી ઉંમર 16 વર્ષ અને હું એક ગરીબ ખેડૂતનો દીકરો. બાળપણથી જ મને ભણવાનો બહુ શોખ હતો, પણ મારા માતા પિતાએ મને શાળાએ ન મોકલ્યો. મેં બહુ જ જીદ કરી કે મારે શાળાએ જવું છે, પણ ના. હું દરરોજ મારી મા સાથે અહીં શાક બકાલો વેચવા આવતો. જ્યારે હું 5 વર્ષનો થયો ત્યારે મને ખબર પડી કે મને એક નાઇટ સ્કૂલ કરીને એક શાળા છે, ત્યાં ઘણા જણા આવે છે જે રાત્રે શાળા ચાલુ હોય. સવારે જે બધા કામે જતા હોય અને ભણવાનું ન કરી શકતા હોય એ લોકો રાત્રે શાળાએ જાય. મને પણ ઈચ્છા થઈ. એ દિવસે સાંજે મેં બાપુને કીધું, બાપુ મને પણ નાઇટ સ્કૂલે જવું છે. તમે જેમ કહેશો એમ સવારે હું બધો ધંધો કરી આવીશ. તમે જેમ કહેશો એમ કરીશ, પણ મને નાઇટ સ્કૂલમાં જવા દો. એ દિવસે બાપુએ મને ઘરેથી ધક્કો માર બહાર કાઢી મૂકેલો. બાપુ મારી પાસે ખાવા માટે રોટલો નહીં અને પહેરવા માટે કપડાં ન હતા. હું ત્યારે એક મંદિરમાં જઈ બેસી ગયો. ખૂબ જ ગભરાયેલો અને ખૂબ જ કાંપતો હતો. અને અચાનક મને ઊંઘ આવી ગઈ અને સવારે ઉઠ્યો ત્યારે મારી બાજુ એક પૂજારી બેઠા હતા. તેમણે મને પૂછ્યું, બેટા તારું નામ શું છે? હું ગભરાયેલો હતો. મેં કાંઈ જવાબ ના આપ્યો. તેમણે મને પૂછ્યું, બેટા ગભરાવાની કાંઈ જરૂર નથી, હું તારા પિતા સમાન છું. મને કે તારું નામ શું છે અને તું અહીં ક્યાંથી આવ્યો? મેં રડતા બધી વાત કહી. પૂજારી તરત જ મને તેમના ઘરે લઈ ગયા અને ઘરે લઈ જઈ તેમની પાસે બેસાડી અને જમવા માટે રોટલો અને શાક આપ્યું. મારી આંખો ભરાઈ ગઈ અને હું પૂજારીની સામે જોતો રહ્યો. ત્યારે મારા મોંમાંથી એક જ શબ્દ નીકળ્યો, તમે મારા બાપુ સમાન છો. અને 3-4 દિવસથી ભૂખ્યાને ખાવાનું મળે ને એટલે કેવો ચહેરો થઈ જાય એવી રીતે હું એકદમ આનંદમાં હતો. પછી દરરોજ હું એ જ મંદિરમાં બેઠો રહેતો. જ્યારે બીજા દિવસે મેં પૂજારીને વાત કરી કે મને પણ નાઇટ સ્કૂલમાં જવું છે, તો તમે મને મોકલશો? તો તેમણે કહ્યું કે હા બેટા, હું ભલે ન ભણી શક્યો પણ હું તને જરૂર ભણાવીશ. અને તે દિવસથી હું દરરોજ શાળાએ જતો. પછી ધોરણ 1 થી કરી ધોરણ 9 સુધી અવ્વલ ગુણે પાસ થયેલો. અને આજે હું 10મા ધોરણમાં છું. પૂજારી એટલે મારા બાપુ, તેમણે મને 300 રૂપિયા આપેલા અને કહેલું કે જો બેટા, આ તને પૈસા આપું છું, આ પૈસાનો તને ધંધો કરવાનો છે. અને એ 300 રૂપિયામાં મેં આ ટોકરી અને શાક બકાલો લઈ અને રોજે સવારે દર સવારે હું અહીંયા શાક બકાલો વેચવા આવું, સાંજે વાંચું અને રાત્રે શાળાએ જાઉં. આજે હું 10મા ધોરણમાં છું અને પરમ દિવસથી મારી બોર્ડની એક્ઝામ ચાલુ થવાની છે. એટલે હવે મને ભણવા બેસવાનું પડે ને, એટલે આજે સાંજથી હું ભણવા બેસીશ અને અવ્વલ નંબરે પાસ થઈશ. અને જુઓ, અને આજ સાંજથી હું ભણવા બેસીશ અને અવ્વલ નંબરે પાસ થઈશ. જોજો. મારી માફ છે. હું પાસ થઈ ગયો. હું પાસ થઈ ગયો. હું પાસ થઈ ગયો. યે! હું પાસ થઈ ગયો. જોયું મિત્રો, આ હતી મારી કહાની. કેવી રીતે અઘરી પરિસ્થિતિઓમાંથી પાર કરીને હું બોર્ડની પરીક્ષામાં અવ્વલ ગુણે પાસ થયો. મને ખબર છે તમે પણ આવી જ અઘરી પરિસ્થિતિઓને પાર કરીને પાસ થયા છો. એટલે જ મેં તમારી માટે એક નાનકડું નાટક ભજવ્યું. કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન્સ એન્ડ થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you, Hem, for your wonderful performance. I consider it a great honor to welcome Sister Donna, our respected principal, to felicitate the stars of the day.
Good morning, my dear students. Hats off to you for your outstanding performance in the SSC exam 2020. God bless you all. First of all, I would like to thank the most important person, the sole reason for our existence, that is the Almighty God, for giving us birth as human beings, giving you an opportunity to embrace success in the exam, and for all the gifts and blessings that He has showered upon us throughout our life journey. You are obliged to clap for the people who created you and nurtured your life. Yes, they are none other than your beloved parents. Please give them a very big applause. For getting such good marks in SSC exam, our respected teachers plays a vital role. Yes, your teachers are your second parents. Let us pay a standing ovation to all our great teachers. And let us also thank all our non-teaching staffs who were always there to assist you. Let us give them a big hand. My dear students, I take this opportunity to congratulate, implore God's blessings, greet good luck to all my beloved students. Meticulously, I would like to congratulate Master Mehta Aditya Nimish, who has secured 94.96% mark and stood first in Kutch district. Also, I would like to congratulate Mithya Sakshi Kishore Bai, who has bagged 91.5% marks and stood 6th position in Kutch district. Congratulations and best wishes to all of you. Dear students, is it about being an ordinary human being in life or an extraordinary human being in life? I am requesting you all to become an extraordinary human being. Yes, you have to be an outstanding and extraordinary human being. What are the qualities of an extraordinary human being? The topmost quality above all is giving back. The one who gives back most is the most celebrated man on earth. So, the first thing you have to do today is to give these moments of cheer and honor to your parents and tell them, thank you for giving you birth. Thank them for giving you opportunities and for providing you all that they have and sacrificing their entire life for you. Give back gratitude to all people who hold your hand carefully in various walks of life. The second inevitable quality we need is to have mental strength to overcome the hurt feelings. Once you overcome and got healed from your hurt feelings, you will surely become an extraordinary human being. Mahatma Gandhi was thrown out of the train. He was hurt, put down, but he did not give up. He became an extraordinarily flourished person to the path of forgiveness and self-confidence. There will be people around and amidst you to hurt you, stamp you, spit on you, to accuse you for no reasons. But you have to come up. Then you will become an extraordinary person. Remember, for all sure you will face so many difficulties in life. Yes, our success is all about converting challenges into opportunities. My beloved students, promise your parents that you will strive hard for an extraordinary life. A life where the world will recognize you. A life where the world will salute you for your humanitarian approaches and social commitment. My dear students, love what you are doing. Set your ultimate goal. Be committed and inspired. Read a lot. Manage time. Never procrastinate your responsibilities. Try to be other-centered and selfless. And above all, seek God's blessings throughout your life. Indeed, you will reach greater realms of honor. Once again, hearty congratulations and best wishes to all of you. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now it's time to honor our students Mehta Aditya, who stood first, and Mithya Sakshi, who stood 6th in Kutch district in SSC exam 2019-20. I request Sister Rosie Joseph, our school manager, to honor Mehta Aditya. Our school principal, to honor Mithya Sakshi.
Thank you, sisters, and congratulations, dear children. Wishes are actually pretty important if we think about it. Wishing is luck or happiness that we give to others. Here come the teaching faculty of Archana St. Xavier's with a wishing song.
में पढ़कर साथ साथ पूरे करने हैं अपने काम आशाएं में पढ़कर साथ साथ पूरे करने हैं अपने काम आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें से आपकी अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी जैसा बच्चा है तू निकला दे हटके है तू ही है सबका हौसला तेरे जुनून के आगे अंबर पना है मांगे कर डाले तू जो फैसला कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह तेरे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू देंगे वही सलामियां दिल थाम के कहो देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियां शाबाशियां
It was a lovely performance. Gratitude transforms ordinary into thanksgiving, turns routine jobs into joy, and changes common opportunities into blessings. Here come Aditya Mehta and Magisha with the words of gratitude. Welcome, dear children.
One teacher, one student, one book and one pen can change the world. Hello everyone, I am Aditya Nimish Mehta, an ex-student of Archana St. Xavier's High School. In 10th board exams 2019-20, I secured 94.67%. Everyone appreciates this success, but that's not the real story. There are numerous hands behind the success which one never sees. One of such huge helping hand behind my success is the school faculty. It is very true that we have got the best school faculty in Mandvi, always encouraging me to study, clearing my doubts and keeping the trust on me that I will always perform well. Being a part of St. Xavier's for around 12 years, I can assure you that this is one of the best school one can be a part of. So on behalf of our whole batch, I want to thank all the teachers and non-teaching staff for always being there for us. It's due to their seeds that we have got such fruits. It's due to your encouragement and guidance we feel that we are ready for tomorrow's challenges. Not only the 10th standard teachers, we express our heartfelt gratitude to each and every teacher who had given every single lesson for our bright future. Now, I have very good message, or you can say trick, to score good marks. I hope this will be helpful for students. Firstly, when you come in 10th standard, people will say, oh, now you have to study for 10 hours, 12 hours. No, I never remembered to study for so many hours. The thing is, it's not important how many hours you study. It's important that how you study in that hours. You just study for 2 hours, but in that 2 hours, you have to keep your phone off with no disturbance and full focus and attention on study. Secondly, the Ratama system won't work in 10th. You will never get exactly questions in exams as you given in your text. So, you must understand all the concepts which will be done by your teachers. And last, you have to practice by writing papers, solving last year's problems, so that you will get a gist that how the questions will be asked. You follow these 3 steps and you will guaranteely get your desired success. Once again, I will thank this beautiful school on behalf of our batch, and I will be more than honest to say that I will miss these school days and these memories very much and very much. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for your class 10 result. The height at which we are standing is not just because of our hard work, but also because of hard work and blessings of our teachers and efforts of our school. I would sincerely like to thank Sister Smini for providing me this opportunity to present a few words on today's occasion. Moving on, I must acknowledge our teachers. Dear teachers, you have been a symbol of strength and education. Most noteworthy, teachers don't only educate us, but they also teach us lessons of life. A teacher is a compass that activates magnets of curiosity in students. And our life is going to change very soon, but the lessons we are taught by our teachers will always remain with us. Thank you, teachers. I thank everyone, beginning from the gatekeeper to the principal. How can I not mention my lively friends and classmates on today's occasion? A friend is not the one who has same taste in music, food or clothes, but it is the one who understands differences. The differences bring us together. Thank you everyone for your hard work and support. I express my gratitude on the behalf of all the students to this institution and all the teachers for giving us the support and strength for our board examinations. Thank you very much.
Aditya and Marhi, good time come and go, but the school memory will last forever. School life is the most important part of life and the treasures of memories. School memories will stay in our heart. Am I right?
याद आएंगे वो दिन सारे जो थे हमने साथ बिताए, याद आएंगे वो पल सारे जो थे हमने साथ बिताए, याद आएंगे वो दिन सारे जो थे हमने साथ बिताए। याद आएंगे वो दिन जो थे हमने साथ बिताए, याद आएंगे वो दिन जो थे हमने साथ बिताए। छोटी बातों में यूं लड़ना झगड़ना, उसके बाद फिर साथ हंसना। किसी का टांग खींचना, किसी को छेड़ना, किसी के साथ भी यूं ही मस्ती करना। ब्रेक तक हम कभी रुक न पाए, सारे टिफिन को हम सब मिलके खाए। याद आएंगे वो दिन सारे जो थे हमने साथ बिताए, याद आएंगे वो पल सारे जो थे हमने साथ बिताए, याद आएंगे वो दिन सारे जो थे हमने साथ बिताए।
बचपन से कभी ये सोचा नहीं, ऐसे भी दिन तो आए अभी हो। बचपन से कभी ये सोचा नहीं,